Preparing myself for Swan Lake was one of the biggest tasks I've ever had to do. When I found out I was playing Prince Siegfried, it was a moment of a lot of excitement, but also a lot of fear, because Prince Siegfried is, in the male classical ballet repertoire, is probably the most advanced part you could ever play artistically. It takes a lot within the artist, but also technically it takes a lot out of a dancer.
Playing Odette and Odile is a really emotionally difficult task. Dance at Interlochen is amazing for the fact that it is really challenging and a very rigorous program, but it is also really amazing for developing yourself artistically and just personally.
I really loved working on Swan Lake here at Interlochen because the theater department, the dance department, and the music department work so well together in creating one product. First of all, our venue is professional looking, our sets are professional looking, our costumes came from the Boston Ballet, so they were professional costumes, and we created our own music product for our orchestra from the traditional.
The nice thing about staging story ballets, full-length ballets, is that it really is a cooperation with other arts disciplines, other students, other faculty members, other artists within the field, because it's not just about steps and dancing, it really is a production. Presenting a ballet like Swan Lake, of course, presents a lot of excitement and challenges. It's the first time that the center has produced a full-length Swan Lake. They had performed excerpts from the ballet, but this was the first time that we really decided to tackle, the ballet in its entirety with, brand new costumes and sets and scenery.
Being able to tour Swan Lake is one of the best experiences I think that Interlochen has to offer.
To find out that 90% of that audience has not seen a ballet yet, and that Interlochen has brought the ballet to them, that's a pretty amazing thing.
It's really amazing to see how we can still pull it off and convey the same story in different audiences and in different places. Not many schools have that.
In my 4 years here at Interlochen, I've had a ton of opportunity to perform on stage where otherwise I probably wouldn't. I've got to do the lead roles in The Nutcracker and now Swan Lake. So a ton of different ballets and a ton of different opportunities to develop as an artist as well as a student in the classroom.
Students have a wonderful opportunity to augment their academic enrichment program with conservatory preparation.
The goal of the program is to train them as young emerging professionals, and they may choose to go other pathways, and that's great. But we might as well instill professional standards on them at this formative age, and therefore that transcends on stage.
I enjoyed working with the students very, very much because there is an enthusiasm that they bring to their arts, especially this high school age, because you see them going well beyond what they think they're capable of doing.
It's been rewarding to see how far the students have come from day one of rehearsals of Swan Lake to then seeing them on stage with the lights, scenery, costumes, and all. And also to hear audiences say, my gosh, that just looked like we saw a professional company. To see them standing up, applauding our students, that's, mission accomplished.